how they look in the cave. Beauty and the stuff. And I got my handy dandy crowbar. I pick these big boards on. They're trying to run up here with Mama. Of course, there's the dead mouse once again. I'm about to get rid of that, get it out of here. There's teeth. And they're putting propolis all over it. Keep it from stinking, but it still stinks. So I bet they're going to like their nice new beehive that they're going to get. On a nice sunny day. And it's raining on the north side of town. Boy, that's Houston for you. It could be pouring in northwest Houston and sunny here and Pasadena. Well, not Pasadena. Deer Park. Sorry. Close enough. Anyhow, you see them running up there. But I think it's just because I'm hoping they're not in that wall. They weren't before. They were just here before. This looks like where they're at again.